Every once in a while you come across a product that makes some, well, truly unbelievable claims. I'm talking about a cleaner that's tough enough for a greasy kitchen floor, but is also supposedly safe enough to wash your vegetables with. It sounds kind of impossible, right? Well, today we're going to dive into the story of one such product that promises to replace pretty much every other cleaner you own. Let's find out if one powder can really rule them all. The company behind this, Cymex, is not playing around. They put this quote right at the top of their marketing materials, basically throwing down the gauntlet to huge names like Ecolab, Procter & Gamble, and SC Johnson. Now, that is a bold, bold statement, and it's the central idea we're going to unpack, looking only at the materials they've put out there. And that really is the million-dollar question, isn't it? It sounds almost too good to be true. I mean, how can one single formula be gentle enough for, say, a baby bottle, but powerful enough for a grimy, clogged-up drain? It feels like a total puzzle. So let's start piecing together how they claim it all works. And here it is. This is the source of all these wild claims. A single 5-pound bag of what they call ultra-concentrated peroxide powder. So every single thing we're about to look at, from degreasing commercial kitchens to cleaning your laundry to washing an entire roof, it all supposedly starts right here, just by mixing this powder with plain old water. So what is the secret sauce here? How does one powder possibly do all of this? Well, according to the company, it all boils down to a couple of key scientific ideas. Let's break down the science, at least as they explain it. Okay, so the first piece of the puzzle is its pH level. When you mix Cymex with water, it creates this super alkaline solution. We're talking a pH of 11.4. The whole idea here is that most germs, according to their brochure, really prefer a more neutral environment to live in. So by making the surface so alkaline, it basically becomes an impossible place for most microbes to survive. All right, next up is this thing they call spot technology. See, the cleaner has titanium dioxide in it, which is this cool compound that reacts with light, and that could be sunlight or even just the regular lights inside your house. This reaction supposedly turns water vapor from the air into a type of hydrogen peroxide, which then just keeps on breaking down stuff like germs, allergens, and odors right there on the surface. So the big takeaway is it's not just cleaning once. The claim is that it keeps on working long after you're done. So you put it all together, and it's this kind of triple threat. First, you've got that high pH that makes the surface totally unwelcoming for germs. Then you've got the titanium dioxide that's constantly sanitizing with light. And finally, the hydrogen peroxide base itself works to inactivate viruses. This three-pronged attack is their whole explanation for how it can be so powerful, yet so versatile. All right, so we've covered the how. Now let's get to the fun part, the what. What exactly does this one powder claim it can clean? We're going to start inside with some of the toughest, most common jobs you can think of. And they don't ease into it either. The brochure jumps right in, highlighting its power as an industrial-strength degreaser. It goes right for the places where grease and grime are at their absolute worst. And this slide really shows the insane range, even just in one category. Over on the left, you see a commercial kitchen where it supposedly makes those super greasy floors way less slippery. And on the right, a clogged up pipe. Cymex claims it can actually dissolve all that grease and syrup, preventing those buildups and even getting rid of the need for professional hydrojetting. That's a huge claim. Okay, so it can handle nasty industrial grease. But what about just, normal everyday surfaces? Well, the claims just keep expanding, from grease traps to basically every surface you can walk on or touch, like floors, carpets, you name it. Now, the claim they make for carpets is really interesting. They say it doesn't just deep clean them, it actually removes the sticky gunk that other cleaners leave behind. And they argue that that residue is what attracts new dirt in the first place. So get rid of the residue and your carpets stay cleaner for way, way longer. Okay, so we've pretty much covered the inside of a building. But this never-ending list of applications, it doesn't stop at the front door. Not even close. Let's head outside and see what this stuff supposedly does out there. Wow, okay, this is a pretty dramatic before and after. The claim here is that Cymex can get rid of those ugly black streaks on roofing tiles, which, is usually algae and mold. And they make a big point of saying it's a safer and cheaper way to do it than using harsh bleach, and that any of the spray that runs off won't hurt your plants or your pets. And here's one that's a bit more technical. It's also sold as a cleaner for the coils on your air conditioning unit. The whole idea is that by getting rid of all that built-up dirt and grime and germs, you're not just getting better air quality, you're actually making the AC unit more efficient by letting the air flow better. So far, we've seen uses that are really broad, but they're still kind of in the world of heavy-duty cleaner. But this is where the list of uses takes a really sharp, really unexpected turn. Yep, you are seeing that correctly. The exact same powder that we just saw scrubbing algae and mold off a roof is also being promoted as a wash to safely get chemicals, waxes, and dirt off of your fruits and vegetables. They even claim it makes them last longer. The contrast there is it's really striking. And the list of these surprising uses just keeps on going. The brochure says you can use it as a plant wash to fight fungus and tomato blight. You can use it as a soaking solution for sore feet, kind of like Epsom salt. You can use it as a degreaser for super greasy laundry. And you can use it as a soak for silverware to get off all that dried-on food. It is an absolutely incredible range of uses. Okay, so versatility is one thing, but the two other huge pillars of the Simix pitch are all about saving money and being good for the environment. So let's take a look at the actual numbers they present. This number right here really puts that ultra-concentrated claim into perspective. One of those 5-pound bags that we saw at the very beginning can be mixed with water to make 544 standard-size spray bottles of cleaner. Think about that. That's also 543 plastic bottles that don't need to be manufactured or end up in a landfill. So the company gives this direct cost comparison against a competitor, Ecolab. And this is where their argument gets really compelling. If you look, the upfront cost for a big container is actually pretty similar. But they claim their one bag of powder makes over 3 times the amount of ready-to-use cleaner. But the real kicker is when you break it down by the ounce. And that's the bottom line right there. According to their own math, Simix comes out to just 19 cents for a ready-to-use ounce of cleaner compared to 78 cents for the competitor. That is less than a quarter of the price, and that's the absolute core of their financial pitch. And to try and prove this, they feature this testimonial from a restaurateur at the original Pancake House. He claims that after his 5 restaurants switched over to Simix, they started saving 60 to 70% on their cleaning costs, and they completely got rid of a $2,400 a year hydrojetting bill. So after going through all these incredible claims, it kind of leaves us with this final thought. We're seeing this big push to stop shipping heavy water-filled plastic bottles all over the planet. So could a single hyper-concentrated powder that you just mix at home, one that claims to do the job of dozens of other products, could that be where the future of cleaning is headed? It is definitely a compelling idea to think about.